Hello, so today we're going to make this. Does anyone know who that is? Look, you know who that is. Captain Underpants. So we're making him out of a toilet roll, and this Alfie asked us to do something Captain Underpants related, so we decided we use up all those toilet rolls at home. So for this, we've actually written instructions of what you need. So you need a toilet roll, a glue stick, some peach paper. If you don't have peach paper, you can just paint your toilet roll peach, or you can colour it in peach. And it needs to be 7 inches by 4 inches. Some red paper, again, you can colour it in if you don't have it. We didn't have red paper, we've coloured ours in. And some white paper. So they're the sizes, so 7 inches by 1.5 inches, and a black marker. Okay, I'm going to hand the camera over to my lovely assistant, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is get your peach paper, if you have peach paper. We got ours in, I think it was Aldi or Mr. Price or somewhere like that. Okay, so what you're going to do is glue your peach paper, put your toilet roll down, nice and simple, roll it up. And there we have one beautiful peach toilet roll. It's gorgeous. But it has no nappy. So we're going to give him Captain Underpants' nappy first.
Underpants, not a nappy.
It's a nap. Oh, underpants. Sorry, I always think it's a giant nappy. Excuse me, I'm silly.
I said earlier.
So the first thing you're going to do is draw the elastic on his underpants, not nappy. Excuse me. And so you draw a big long line and you do tiny little dashes on it. This is the stitching that Captain Underpants has on his underpants. And then you're going to draw the Y front bit. So we're going to do a curve here, a curve here, a curve here, and a curve here with some stitching. And then you're going to do a curve along here. And then you're going to go up where his legs would be, back down to his bottom. Up where his legs will be, and back down to his bottom. And he also has a little bit of elastic around his leg bits. So once you do that, and you've got that drawn, you cut it out. So I'm going to try and cut super quickly, so mine might be messy. Hopefully I won't chop my finger off. Oh, what's going to happen? Okay, when you have this done and cut, you see the way you've got the bit at the edge of your paper here. So you're going to use that for his bum. So we're just going to put glue on the back of our underpants, and we're going to stick the underpants bit onto the nice front bit of our toilet roll, and then the bum bit meets together at the back like that. Okay. Then we're going to get our black marker. Sorry, mine's come off a bit, and draw his legs. It's like so. So he's looking a bit Captain Underpanty now, but now he needs his cape. Now, as I said, we had run out of red paper, so we improvised. So we got a piece of paper that is 7 inches by 4 inches, and we coloured in this shape. So if you have red paper, what you're going to do is draw this onto it. So you're going to come in along the lines, and then you're going to do a bat wing type design.
Waves.
Waves, thank you, Millie, at the bottom. Come in along the edge here and join it. And then you're going to cut that out. So I'm going to do mine super quickly. And I probably won't cut out my bat wing bit because I want to get it done so that you can see it. Sorry, am I moving it too fast now?
Yeah.
Okay. I just don't want to cut my fingers off because that would be terrible. Okay, let's get these done.
Yay.
Done. So he's got a beautiful cape. So what you need to do next is stick his amazing cape on.
You can put dots on it.
Yes, actually, good point. I'm going to put dots on my cape. I didn't colour it in very well. You'll do an amazing job. But I was outside enjoying the sunshine, so I got lazy. Sorry. And then you can do his dots on here, because Captain Underpants' cape is actually a blanket from George and Harold's.
It's made out of curtains.
Oh, see, I don't watch enough Captain Underpants.
And at the end it's a tablecloth.
There you go. Okay, so the next bit that we're going to glue are these edges here. So we're going to kind of put his cape on him, and then we're going to glue the 2 edge bits. And we're going to join them just over his underpants, like so.
Beautiful.
Gorgeous, but he needs a little bow. So I have drawn a tiny bow, can you see?
Yeah.
And I'm going to glue that right in the middle of his cape, like this. Now he's looking very Captain Underpantsy, but he has no face. And that's the best bit. So I'm going to show you how to do that. We're going to do a little oval here and a little oval here. And then he has a kind of a, like, I always think it looks like a little piggy nose. So
pigtail. You can get a reference picture.
You can get a reference picture to look like. And then because he's saying tra-la-la, he's got one eyebrow that's like a little squiggle.
Like a pigtail.
Yeah, and one eyebrow that's just regular like this. And then you do his mouth. So you just do that shape and then a line and a few teeth. And you colour him in. And he's finished. He's amazing. Now there are 2 Captain Underpantses in our house. We might make a load of them and hang them up. Or what you could do is use them to put your pens in. So
you can make a bunting.
Desk. Or you can make bunting. That's a great idea, Liv. So you could actually use them on your desk to hold all your desk things. Okay, enjoy guys. See you later.